eating the strawberries. Then we're going to put them in the food processor to where we get 2 cups of crushed. And we're going to add 4 cups of sugar to it. And let it set for 10 minutes.
Picking out the best ones. We did wash them down first with water, cold water for a bit. That's when you're going to measure your 2 cups or what?
Right.
Okay.
Then I'm going to add in 4 cups of sugar. And
4 cups of sugar.
Pre-measured.
And that's pre-measured.
And we're going to let this set for 10 minutes.
Okay.
You have to use the regular because the sugar-free does not always set up. And this will tell you to use 3/4 cup of water. And I'm going to stir in 1 package of Sure Gel. Again, this is regular.
So the Sure Gel is not a strawberry Jello, it's just the Sure Gel, right?
It's just Sure Gel.
Okay.
It's just basically to thicken it up, set it up like jelly.
Okay.
Just to give it more of a strawberry taste is why we're doing this strawberry gel. We gotta wait for the 10 minutes. And then what I will do on this, after 10 minutes is up, we'll stir this. Get a full roll and boil for 2 minutes. Okay? And then once it gets to the roll and boil, it's going to dissolve your Sure Gel. We're going to let it boil for 2 minutes after that. Okay, now we're going to start the timer for 2 minutes. So, 15 after.
Getting close to the 2-minute mark.
Stir it in this here. After I get it mixed up real good. I'm going to stir it for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to start timing it. As soon as it gets to 15, we'll do it for 5 minutes.
For exactly 5 minutes. After mixing 5 minutes, you're pouring it in freezer containers.
You're going to leave it set on the counter for 24 hours. And then you're going to put it in the freezer.
In the freezer, not the fridge?
Right.
Okay.
Unless the one that you want to keep out to use right away can go straight in the fridge.